Hello, sixth graders and sixth grade families. This is Mrs. Matthews, the sixth grade school counselor here at Raymond Park, and I am creating this video today to talk to you guys about seventh grade scheduling. You are sixth graders very soon to be seventh graders. Seventh grade means that you will be starting more of a middle school model where you will go from having 2 or 3 teachers to 6 or 7 teachers. The bell will ring, you'll have passing period, and also you'll have some more options for choices when it comes to your classes. So you're looking at an information sheet in front of you, and I'm going to take some time to talk through your choices and what things can look like. There is also a document that Dr. Klein will share with families through the Ranger News and that classroom teachers will share with students. It is a course descriptions guide. Each course has a video as well as a description to tell you more about it. Let's talk about must-dos first. All 7th and 8th grade students need to take language arts, math, science, and social studies. So that means those 4 classes will be scheduled for every student. That leaves 2 choices for students. And so choose 2, you look at that second section right there, and it lists all the classes that you can choose from. Students will need to choose 2, and I would encourage you to think of like a backup option. So maybe a third choice. If you don't get your top 2 choices, what will your third choice look like? I will take time to go through those choices and talk briefly about them, but also remember you have that course description guide where you can read more specifically. Art and ETE, engineering, technology, education, those 2 are paired together. One semester would be art, one semester would be ETE. So that is one of your choices. Physical education. I know a lot of 6th graders have asked about this. Yep, if you sign up for physical education, PE, you would have PE every day. Same thing. So Spanish is a choice for students, which is super exciting. So if you chose Spanish, you would have Spanish every day as one of your choices. Spanish is a 2-year commitment. So the hope is that you would take Spanish in 7th grade and 8th grade, and then you would start high school already holding high school credits towards your high school diploma and your foreign language credits towards that. Band is a choice. Some of you guys are already doing band, and so you could continue on with band. Same thing for orchestra and choir. As far as instrument rental goes, there is an instrument rental fee for both band and orchestra, and they have really been advertising with families as far as how you can rent those instruments, what instruments of choice that you can have, and in that course description guide, it talks more specifically about what instruments. Choir does not require a fee. There will be an opportunity to buy choir shirts. And of course, with band, choir, and orchestra, there are also performances that go along with performance music. The final thing that I'd like to talk about is high ability. The reason I'm mentioning this is because high ability placement looks a little bit different in middle school. So in the past, a student may be placed in high ability and it was an all or nothing thing. They would stay with that class for the whole day. High ability in middle school, you could be invited to join high ability math, and maybe that would be your only thing. Or maybe you would be invited to do high ability math and language arts. Those placement letters come from the Office of Exceptional Learners. They review the data and send home those placement or invitation letters. Parents can choose to participate or not participate, but I just wanted to mention that it does look a little bit different because it may not be every single class, or you may not decide to do every single class. Finally, right above me right here, you see my contact information, my email, and my phone number here if you have specific questions. And that course selection, students will officially put their choices in April 11th through 15th. And so that's when we return from spring break. They will officially put those choices in the computer for their 7th grade year. This is just providing you guys time to think about your options and what decisions you would like to make as students or with your family. I hope you all have a wonderful day and that you found this video helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.